True love, real love, is knowing someone so well that they feel like an extension of yourself. Loving someone so much that you love what they love and your hope is their hope. True love is about falling in love with the same person every day, fresh and new. It's not keeping track of each other's faults, but always thinking of their good virtues. It's so wonderful to have someone to lean on for a lifetime, and then neither one will fall. Always be there for each other and encourage one another to reach your dreams and hopes.
I feel like the luckiest woman alive right now to be marrying this handsome man. These vows can only give everyone here today a smidge of the love I have for him. I knew you were different when you not only planned our first date in my hometown on a ski trip with two of your closest friends, but you met me and it took you 3 hours round trip.
I never told you this before, but after our first date, there was a mystery about you that I've been trying to figure out this entire time. We had a normal first date conversations, talked about our families, talked about our jobs, our ambitions in life, even dipped into a little bit of our dating history. But as you talked about not being able to find a man to consistently show up for you, I couldn't help but wonder on that ride back to Breckenridge, who the hell isn't going to show up for a woman like this?
First off, just a little housekeeping. If anybody knows of any reason these two shouldn't get married, please stand up now or forever hold your peace. But I would ask you stand up, you state your full name, home address, next of kin, and exactly what your problem is and why you think you're better than anybody else. So I was on a trip with Matthias when they first met, actually. We were in Breckenridge in Colorado. These two started talking, and we were having the most epic night of playing Mario Kart. Next thing we know, he's upstairs, he's on the phone with some girl named Gio. He talked to her for 2 hours. And then he told us that he was gonna go take her out to dinner. I might have said that was batshit crazy. But egg on my face, because here we are today.
I mean, our guy drove 90 goddamn minutes in a blizzard to meet Gio for his first date. And I remember, in Colorado, I remember Lance loudly proclaiming that it was batshit crazy, and it was. It was batshit crazy.
You quickly started to break down my walls that I have built for myself over the year to protect my heart, was showing me your warmth, your genuine love. I can't imagine life without you. I am forever lucky and grateful you picked me to do life with you. I have completely fallen for you. In your hazel eyes, I have found my home. In your big heart, I have found my love. Finally, a day I always dreamed about with the person I dream about the most. I love you for all that you are, all you have been, and all that you are yet to be. I love you.
So when I started to tell my friends I was going to get engaged and I had found the one, after the initial excitement and happiness, they were understandably curious. What made you the girl? So I started to articulate it. And let me tell you, love is a hard thing to articulate. It's your unmatched empathy for your family, friends, and even strangers. Your ability to use logic and reason in our difficult times. So what makes you the girl? And then it hit me. And it's the same reason those other guys couldn't show up for you. Because the responsibility that it takes to show up for a woman of your caliber. And it's the simple fact that you let me be myself, unapologetically. And it's that freedom and understanding that motivates me to prove you right every day. And it's why I can't wait for you to be a mother. And it's why I fell in love with you. And it's why I'll show up for you for the rest of my life.
I just really want to say how incredibly proud and happy I am today. Proud of Matthias and the man he has become. And so happy that he found in Gio someone to spend the rest of his life with. Here it goes. Always remember to be kind to each other. Be patient, understanding. Don't forget to communicate. To laugh and to love each other.
You guys pretty much did it. So, by the power vested in me by just you guys, really, I pronounce you husband and wife, and you guys can do with each other whatever you want.
And I remembered the way in which he described that first date the morning after and the way that he spoke about Gio. I knew right then and there was something. And then, within 2 weeks, he was going back to Denver to see her again, and the rest is history. But the first theme I thought about with Matthias came back to dependability. In my time knowing him, he's just been a very trustworthy, dependable friend, one who I can call at any point in time. And I don't want to gloss over the fact that Mario Kart he missed that night was terrific. It was the best night of video games we've ever had. Maybe another time we can make that up, but whatever. You got the real prize here.
Over the years, we have watched Gio accomplish absolutely everything that she's ever set out to do in life. One day, she set out to find her Prince Charming. And it is absolutely no surprise to any of us that she succeeded in that endeavor as well. Thank you both for letting us be a part of your special day, and I can't wait to see what you two accomplish in life together.